The long-rumored foldable iPhone is expected to become one of Apple's most futuristic devices yet, with most leaks pointing toward a launch in September 2026 alongside the iPhone 18 series. Reports suggest Apple is working on a premium book-style foldable design similar to the Galaxy Z Fold lineup, featuring a large 7.8-inch inner display and a smaller 5.5-inch outer screen for normal smartphone use. One of the biggest rumored highlights is Apple's attempt to create a nearly crease-free folding display using advanced ultra-thin glass technology and a titanium liquid metal hinge for improved durability. The device is also expected to include a powerful next-generation Apple chipset, around 12 gigabytes RAM, enhanced multitasking features optimized for iOS 27, and advanced AI tools powered by Apple Intelligence. Some leaks claim Apple may replace Face ID with a side-mounted Touch ID sensor to save internal space, while battery life and camera performance are also expected to see flagship-level improvements. Pricing is rumored to start above $2,000, positioning the foldable iPhone as Apple's most premium smartphone ever and a direct competitor to foldable devices from Samsung and other Android brands.